said, I'm going to just go into part three of this series. For anyone that's joining, like I said, I can really see how many people that joined my live, and I appreciate everybody joining. I didn't call your name, because I'm not looking in front of my camera. Thanks for joining this live. What we're doing here is to build a community of occupational hygiene, so we can able to share some knowledge. I can able to share some knowledge, to my audience and to this community, right? And occupational hygiene is to kind of what we do is to anticipate, to recognize, evaluate any hazard, and recommend a control, right? So that's what we do, and then we work anywhere in any organization. There's occupational hygiene, right? So moving forward with part three, the topic of part three is going to be health effects of poor lighting, right? Health effects of poor lighting, right? Any prolonged exposure to poor lighting can lead to several factors, right? Several health effects, right? Which we cannot touch bases about, right? The first one, right, is your eye, right? Because you need your eye to see, right? That's the function of the eye, is for you to be able to see, right? Maybe clearly or not clearly, but you have to use it to see, right? So, straining your eye, high strain is a vision problem, right? Eye strain and vision problem. High strain and vision problem. So that is some of the one of the health effect of poor lighting, because that will make you to strain your eye, right? And you begin to have visual problem. Just like the other example that I mentioned earlier, you are in a dark place and then you didn't know there's a water, a wet floor, within that space, and then you step on that wet floor, and then what happened? You slip and you fall, and that can be detrimental, to you. You might break your bone, your ankle, your arm, because you use your arm to land on the ground, and that can cause injury, right? So you strain your eyes, a vision problem causes, body injury, right? So the second one is headache and fatigue, right? So when you strain your eyes and you have visual problem,